today we are going to draw this landscape home, actually the traditional home. So in the beginning we will start with basic sketch, basic structure of this home. So I just added outline of this home, and this homes is in, actually we'll see this kind of home in a rural area. So I just here in the one part of Maharashtra, and I'm just doing this home like this house over here, drawing this, just taking the inspiration of this. Some of the things I'm adding from my imagination, so to enhance my drawing. So but 80% of structure I'm keeping as it is, like how I'm seeing over here. So that way I'm just starting doing this. So I just get first all the structure of this home, first outline of this, and the entire sketch over here. So I started slowly detail out of top roof over here now, and adding some few lines or few details or the backside home. Just added that, and I just started doing the detail over here. So sketching this kind of landscape or this kind of sketch, actually like this scene you are sketching over the village or when you are the scenery. So there you just need to keep all your drawing very loose, and you just take that essence of mood of that location. That is one of the very important aspect. Second thing, you need to focus on the drawing, actually just check out the perspectives and the depth of that drawing. So if you are able to add depth in your drawing, so your drawing will look three-dimensional even though you are drawing this in the 2D paper. So that is very, very important key factor over here. So sketching this kind of landscape, and just especially you need to focus on golden point in your landscape. So I'm just doing this sketch with pen because it is I can quickly grab essence and mood of this location with the pen, and I can detail out what are the things I want to enhance more. So that is one reason I'm doing this sketching with the pen, and pen is very dark, so when I record this sketch, this easily grabs all the details what I am drawing. So it is very easy me to explain you, and the detail I will show you how to I just capture this entire sketch over here. So I just started doing some more details. So shadow part I have added more details, and I just added which area I want to enhance more. There I am doing more and more details, so which is creating actually three-dimensional and which is creating interest in our sketch. So if you want to enhance some the particular part, or you need to give more dimension to it, you need to think over the shade and lights, and then you think about the texture. So that is the important key factor. So these are the key point which I am explaining. It is very, very essential and important into our landscape drawing or this kind of outdoor sketching. So I can say this is the sketch, but it is like a detailed sketch, but we are grabbing this within like around 5 to 10 minutes. And to just I just increase little bit speed of this drawing, because I just when I shoot this entire things, I shoots in a time lapse, but it is like almost the speed double than the actual I draw. So not too long, but it is very simple and easy. So I'm not keeping my drawing very complicated. So always I try to keep my drawing very simple and loose. So that's why I'm able to grab that very easily and very quickly. So you see here we have almost detailed out everything and completed this 2 homes and more enhanced to our this, and then slowly we just detail on the ground. So I created little perspective over here ground. So the my eyes or our eyes is everybody eyes is going toward the home, and then it is moving around the entire painting. So the ground shadows and this, so all these things is giving dimension to in this sketch. So slowly we are improved. So we started with the basic lines, and then we started added more detail over here, and we just follow something. So please subscribe my channel and just hit this bell icon to get notification about all my new video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.